Simply wrap on, insulate, and plug in. The wrap-on electric pipe heating cable is engineered for use on metal and rigid plastic pipes. A press-to-test button allows you to test the cable before installing. Properly installed and insulated, this cable will protect a pipe at -50 degrees Fahrenheit air temperature. The built-in thermostat turns the cable on at 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Each package contains one ready-to-install pipe heating cable, along with installation instructions. Cables are available in various lengths depending on your situation. Recommended items needed for installation include fiberglass pipe insulation, PVC tape, gloves, dust mask, and safety glasses or goggles. Remove old heating cables or insulation and check for any sharp edges or burrs on the pipe. With the flat side of the cable against the pipe, hang the power cord end of the cable over the pipe. Allow the thermostat pod to hang free in a position where the pilot light can easily be seen. Verify proper operation by plugging the cable into an electrical outlet, and then press the clear plastic pod over the red area on the press-to-test bar. The pilot light should come on. Unplug the cable during installation. Use PVC tape or our wrap-on straps that are featured in this video to secure the cable to the pipe. Keep the flat side of the cable against the pipe and wrap loosely around the pipe with the ideal spacing of 2 wraps per foot. Apply additional PVC tape every 10 to 12 inches. While wearing gloves and eye protection, loosely wrap fiberglass pipe insulation around the pipe and cable, keeping the insulation about 1.5 inches thick. Wrap the plastic vapor seal over the insulation in order to protect the insulation from moisture. Plug the cable power cord directly into a grounded outlet and let wrap-on take the freeze out of winter. Always disconnect the pipe heating cable from its power source during installation, before routine inspections, and when the freezing season ends.